Hello, welcome to the Downlow Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the engine air filter in this 2017 GMC Canyon. Before we get started on this job, I felt it prudent to show the maintenance schedule found in the owner's manual. There are two different intervals based on either normal use such as commuting and severe use for off-roading, towing, or other heavy-duty usage in which parts may need to be serviced more frequently. In this instance, the filter is due at 45,000 miles regardless, but we're actually performing the service even sooner at only 25,000 miles, so the filter won't be nearly as dirty as it would be otherwise. For this job, you can get away with only having a large standard head screwdriver, but in this case I am going to be using a large Phillips head, as well as an 8mm socket for the intake worm gear clamp.
To start, there are 4 screws that need to be removed. You can see their locations on screen now. One on each of the right corners of the airbox and one in the center, both front and back. Be sure to check out the description below for the factory GMC part number and a list of the tools required. Estimated time for this job is about 10 minutes.
Now, with all the hardware removed from the airbox and this clamp loosened, this simply slips over into this large gap and it slides right off. To remove the hose from the airbox, come from the bottom, pry away, and it will accordion just like so. From there, the airbox simply hinges up from these tabs at the rear. It can slide over and you can just flip it back like so out of the way. Let's take a look at the factory air filter versus our new one. You can see on this side it's clean as it should be. On this side it's a little bit dirty. Like I said, this one's only got 25,000 miles out of the recommended interval for 45,000 miles, so it's only about half-life, but we're going to be replacing it anyway. At this point, it's not a bad idea to clean out any debris from the airbox. In this case, I have one pine needle and a little bit of dust, so I'm not going to worry about it. From there, just slip this right back down, and everything is in the reverse of the disassembly. Be sure, again, with these tabs, make sure they're seated. And everything connects back just like that. From there, reinsert the 4 screws, put the hose clamp back on, and you're good to go. Thank you for tuning into the Downlow Garage. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and we will see you next time.